Jason Derulo. Come on, shit. Everybody's looking for love.